base. A little white wine vinegar because we don't have mirin today. A little brown sugar and some tamari. So we generally use tamari since it's gluten-free for soy. My salt, of course the sugar gives me my sweet. We got a little sour here. We got 3 of our 5 basic sensory experiences that our taste buds give us, right? And also, because this is fermented, we get a little umami out of that. And so the only thing omitted out of here is bitterness. Now, so I'm leaning towards the sweet and sour. I'm going to say something like a 2 to 2 to 1 ratio, where you've got less salt than anything else. This is just very briny, you know, and we don't need it. This really just coats the outside of the meat and the veggies when we're doing the saute. The stir fry. And really, this is more for the meat than anything else. So we'll do, what we're going to do is the proteins first, and then take them out of the wok. Take it out of the wok, and then we'll do the veggies after that, then add the meat back in. Classic stir fry setup, you know. It's not going to explode, but you don't want to use a lot, so you just kind of lightly on the sides, on the edge, like that. Perfect. Right there, That's enough. Now it's going to smoke, watch, because it's going to get really hot in the bottom. Wait till it smokes. You can see it just now starting to do that. It means it's a shimmer. Okay, that means you're right about the temperature you need. Let it go for a little bit. Now stir it. Open up.
Splashing in the grease.
I know, move it around.
Smells really good for ass.
Make it feel longer spatula. Okay. Yep, under and over, Tim. There you go. Work it around. Remember, those side walls of your pan are also hot. So you can move that stuff around. There you go. See how it's bubbling? That tells you got lots of heat all over that pan.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. If you do this right, it only takes about a minute to do each batch. And then you just add another batch, okay? Transfer. Now, see how it's bubbling right here? That means it's getting super hot. And that's good because your sauce is caramelizing around the outside of the meat, okay? This is good news, okay? See a lot of raw over here? Bring it in. Your hottest part is going to be right in the center. Grab that over the side. All the way through. It looks brown like that. Take it out. Transfer it here. Okay. Not done yet. I'll tell you when you don't see pink anymore.
There a little bit. Alrighty. Don't drop. Alright, thank you.
Oh, some dropping.
It's all for you.